Hello friends, welcome to this episode of Sunday Special. I'm Raghav and today I want to share with you a very simple and very efficient habit, that is creating a benchmark and how do you create your benchmarks and improve yourself on a daily basis. Now benchmark is a standard against which you can compare your performances or maybe your work and then improve yourself. We have industrial benchmarks as well, where industries compare their work and check their performances against some set standards. We have benchmarks when we do performance testing, so we have benchmark that this is what our application should be able to achieve in terms of performance. So similarly we can create benchmarks for ourselves. Now there are multiple ways to do that. One way is you can actually create a benchmark by looking at somebody's some person or somebody else's work and say, okay, this person was able to achieve this much, I also want to be like him or her and I want to achieve all this. And that is okay. I will only say that set your benchmarks to the highest possible standards and be very honest with that. Now the other way, or the best way I will say to create a benchmark, is create a benchmark on yourself or against yourself. What do I mean by that is, you can say that yesterday I was able to do this much, I was able to complete these many things. Today I want to surpass that, and you improve step by step. Now you can make a daily benchmark that you can say that, okay, I will compare myself against my yesterday's work and improve. Or you can create benchmarks like, last month I was able to achieve 5 goals and these many things. This month I am going to surpass that and I'm going to keep that as a standard. Now the best thing of keeping yourself as a benchmark is it will take away a lot of stress and tensions and unnecessary bad feelings, because you know yourself much better than anybody else in this world. And when you create your benchmarks against yourself, you know everything, that what all you were able to do, how you were able to achieve that, and will you be able to achieve the same thing this month, or how much extra efforts, how much extra time and how much efficiency you will need. If you create a benchmark, or if you take somebody else's work or somebody else as a benchmark, you have a lot of things that you do not know, and that may create unnecessary tension and stress if you are not able to achieve that. So make yourself your own benchmark and do it daily and see the improvements for yourself. In the comment section, let me know how did you like this video and what is your benchmark. I will meet you in the next episode of Sunday Special. Thank you for watching.